Grow your dental practice with Google My Business. Hi dentists. Are you looking to attract more patients to your clinic without spending thousands on ads? If yes, you're in the right place. I specialize in helping dental clinics like yours stand out on Google search and maps using Google My Business or GMB. And here's the best part. You only pay me after you see results. When someone searches for a dentist in your area, the first thing they see is Google My Business listings. A fully optimized GMB profile ensures that your clinic appears right where your potential patients are looking. But here's the challenge. Most dentists don't have the time to set it up or keep it updated. That's where I come in. I'll handle everything for you, including setting up or optimizing your GMB profile, adding your clinic's photos, services, and contact details, highlighting patient reviews to build trust, boosting your ranking so local patients can find you easily, and with my pay-after-results model, you don't pay a single penny until your clinic starts getting more visibility and calls from potential patients. Imagine patients calling you because they found you at the top of Google search or maps. That's the power of GMB when it's done right. So whether you're just starting or you've been running your clinic for years, I can help you bring in more patients, all with zero upfront cost. If you're ready to grow your practice, let's get started today. Click the link below to schedule a Zoom call with me. Remember, it's pay after results, so you've got nothing to lose.